Make the invisible visible for faster, easier, and safer electrical inspections. Introducing the FLUKE ii910 Precision Acoustic Imager, which lets you see the source of partial discharge and arcing, making it easier to quickly scan, locate, assess, and report. The innovative technology uses an array of microphones, listening in high-frequency ultrasound ranges up to 100 kHz, to create a sound map which is displayed on the 7-inch screen. The ii910 Precision Acoustic Imager enables you to easily scan large areas from a distance in order to get the job done faster and safer. It's built tough for rugged environments, with the precision and reliability you'd expect from FLUKE. See the invisible with the FLUKE ii910 Precision Acoustic Imager. Find out more at fluke.com.